Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's make this morning really good. And those of you who do not know me, my name is Arun Bandholkar. You can call me as Arun. And I am from India, from a place called Bangalore. And I've been part of Dubai over 5 years now. And I welcome all of you for this program on what is called as present. I have converted the whole training into a couple of training modules. We're going to have about 8 modules today, and we'll go module by module. The first module will talk about what is called 5 P's for an effective presentation. Before that, a question to you. What is presentation? What do you mean by presentation?
Effective way of communication.
Yeah, effective way of communicating. Anything else to add what Prabhakar said? Apart from that, presentation is effective way of communicating, is right? Anything else? Yeah, I'll be asking a lot of questions. My objective of asking questions is, number one, to make it very interactive. That means when I ask questions, it does not mean that you have to give me a correct answer. You have to give me answer whatever you feel that can. In fact, it is the delivery of the information or any ideas on a particular topic. It's already been planned, determined topic that you have created for a particular audience. That means when you're talking about presentation, there are a lot of things involved there. The audience are involved, and again the topic is involved, and then finally how you present the topic in a way that the audience can accept it and agree with your point. And you generally have a particular time frame, because always you have a time frame for a presentation. So given a time, you can always speak and speak and speak. How do you condense the topic to a short time? Thereby, in the given time, you are able to pass the idea. That is basically the overall view of a presentation. There are many types of presentation. Generally, we can talk about 3 types of presentation. By asking the date, what you're asking, suppose your management tells you that you will do a presentation, and you have to ask when. That means which date. The moment you ask the question when the date is told to you, what exactly you are getting an information.
What time?
Yeah, that is next question. Before asking a question, what time, by knowing the date itself, what exactly you are going to get to know?
How much time you have?
Exactly, how much time I have.
For preparing.
Suppose the presentation says that you have to do next day. That means 24 hours, very short time. Okay, you have about a week's time. You will feel, okay, I can do a good preparation, little more preparation I can do. By asking a date you are going to do. And second thing, by asking date, you are also trying to find out whether I am free or not.